In this video, I will walk you through the Turabian word template, which is linked in the description. When you begin typing your own paper, you can use this document as a template to fill in your own information. Some of the formatting instructions are written in the document, like this. Make sure to use this template alongside the instructions provided by your professor and the OWL Purdue manual linked here and below the video in the description. You'll notice on the title page I've written a note. Remember that any formatting directions from your professor overrule the formatting I provided with this template. In Turabian format, the title page is page 1, but the number does not appear. The main text of the document is page 2. I've added footnotes to the document to show you what the formatting looks like. When you type your paper, you'll want to remove the footnotes. Just delete the number in the text to make the footnote disappear. To create a footnote, click References, Insert Footnote. An in-text footnote number will appear with a corresponding footnote at the bottom of the page. Use the formatting in this tutorial for citing books and articles. Each paragraph is indented a ½ inch. Headers are not limited to the style I've provided in this document, so be sure to check with your professor about header level formatting. An example bibliography is included at the end of the document. Use the formatting provided to cite books, articles, and websites. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to explore the other tutorial videos on the library website.